All right, so if you're going to take the computer out of your Eldorado, first you want to open up the glove box. This liner has to come out. There's going to be 4 T15 Torx screws in there. Let's see that, T15. So there's going to be one down here. That's one. There's one here. It's already taken out. 2. There's one behind where the owner's manual goes. There's 3. And then there is somewhere around here. Oh, there it is. 4th, right here at the top. So once you take those 4 out, this is clipped in there. So you just gotta kind of give it a gentle pull. It'll come out. So that will come out. Your computer is right here. So there's this screw that you could loosen. So that gives some wiggle room for the computer. You want to take out this screw here, this screw down here. Then there's one back in there. That one right there. It's got to come out too. You could just loosen them to give yourself some wiggle room, but I took them out. That's it for the top end. Then I'll go underneath and show you what has to come down. All right, in order to get the computer out, you absolutely have to take the rug loose. You don't have to take it all the way out. You don't have to take this piece out. You have to move it to get this clip off so you can pull the rug down so that there's enough room to pull the computer down. Here's the computer right here with the green connector, the blue, and the gray here. These all have to come out, but the computer slides down and you're going to be right up against this kick plate here. There is no room, and without the carpeting pulled out of the way, the computer will not have enough room to come down. And then the other thing, I have to undo those connections. There is one more screw. You can see right there, that has to come out. And then you gently maneuver around the computer and pull it down and out. This is the kick panel that needs to come down. That fits up back there. There's going to be 4 screws. 1, 2, which holds the light in. 3, 4, 5, which connects to this panel, this cover up over here. So this is what your kick panel will look like when it's back up there, or when you start. You got 1, 2 in between these braces, 3, 4, and then the light, 5. That's how it goes back together.